Hello everyone, my name is Carrie Fennell, and today I'm going to show you what to do to clean your furniture before you add the Granny Bee's old-fashioned chalk paint to your surfaces. Usually, there's no prep involved when it comes to painting with chalk style paint, especially with a good quality paint like Granny Bee's. However, we do recommend cleaning the furniture piece first, just to ensure there's no dirt or debris that's going to go into your paint finish. It could affect the color that you're adding, especially if it's a lighter color, and some of that debris could get into the paint, making it a little bit clumpier. So this is actually a really easy step to get your furniture ready and to paint. So we're going to talk about two different ways to clean your furniture. The first way is using a sugar soap solution. So what I did is I added some sugar soap with warm water. I followed the manufacturer's instructions on the back of the packaging, and I grabbed a nice clean sponge. So what I did is I prepared my solution, and I'm just going to go ahead with my sponge and really give this a good scrub. Sometimes the furniture pieces have old oil or wax on them. There's all kinds of things that could be on here, and even dust and dirt from sitting around, you just don't know, or even food. So it's always a good idea just to take this extra step just to get your furniture piece ready, and in the long run it's going to make your life so much easier when you go to paint. And as you can see, there is some stuff coming off on here, stuff you don't even realize is there. So it's just a good idea just to get your furniture prepped and ready a little bit before you dive into the painting process. So I'm going to make sure that I go through every part of this little piece with my sponge and my sugar soap solution and just give it a good wipe down. And then I'll let it dry thoroughly, and then I'll start painting. And the other part that we're going to talk about is cleaning your furniture piece with lacquer thinner. Another way to clean your furniture piece is using lacquer thinner. Lacquer thinner will remove a lot of oils, waxes, any kind of residue buildup that may be on your piece from years of people cleaning with wax, or might be sitting somewhere and a little bit of oil got on it. So lacquer thinner is wonderful for breaking down those particles of wax to ensure that the chalk paint will have a nice, clean finish. So what I do is I just use an old t-shirt or a lint-free rag and just add some of that to my cloth, and I just start wiping away. And I want to make sure that I get this nice and clean so that when I start adding my chalk paint, it's going to be nice and free of any kind of solvent or anything that's going to affect the color of the paint or the finish. If you find on your pieces that some of the old varnish is flaking off, go ahead and clean the piece, and then go at it with a little bit of a light grit sandpaper, just to get rid of some of those bumps and lumps along the way, and that way you will also ensure a nice, smooth, clean finish. Thank you so much for tuning in today to watch how to prep and wash your furniture before adding Granny Bee's chalk style paint to your surfaces. And please visit our website at grannybee.co.za to see all of the amazing products that we have, tutorials, and also to find a stockist near you. Take care.